Hello, my name is Ramshay. So today we are going to talk about the what makes the Great War of the China shows the exchange generally. This is carried more by the strategy, but it's not just a problem. This might feel it's not just going the way. Okay, so let's hear our start and now the warm of these text to the 8th or the 7th. Now, not one word as many. The differences form use the century, their race word isn't the single continent of. They are contributing the conclusions and conversations of the world and the first station form the ends the different century and or many centuries distance. Okay. The difference change these values the always and the always the can avoid and stations. For the defense is northern is self does it not be going and be make is will mean to make the space war of China. Two use all a long time. This can be this word is okay, so this name for this Greece word. Okay, the Greece word it is used early the 7th century BC. That very early, very peaceful, very old, they first. Now they very new. That's this crazy about it. Many dynasty added to this, especially the Hui, Han, and Ming dynasty. The style the especially do it is past this new life. The one of the difference forming the dynasty is the Ming dynasty. They are working on the 300 year ago, 300 the year against the growth of the Great War of China. This Ming dynasty it is the 1368 to the 1644. Because the more famous centuries you can see anything now. That's the end century today. They are the 7th century BC born here. They are the kings in the 200s to the 206 BC. The hands it is the 206 BC to the 220s. It is 80s. The main point here is your life and the list and the speaking. Just your reading form is be against us. That's not for example impossible. Three, not just a word. This word is the structural life different system plus it's a word. Word from life. Okay, the watchtower. Watchtower form this weekend to destroy. These are the first. There's some vegetable in here. They are in the store. There's some foods when this is very dirty, very hungry or dry. The beacon's tower. Use smokes symbols to word of the day. And they rely is more for the singles, the single word. For this is the mink. They are the words some the tons or the are the queens, the hand. Anything else, the dynasty, they get word from the mink. The scarier sections. How Sawyer and Mr. Foolish. The how the Sawyer, the Sawyers are the famous figures for me. It is I don't have to the Englishman's but I have to the sections. They are the castle for here and it is these are the castle, the shaft, and anything else. I don't know how to I can speak his name but I know it. Okay. The communication system allows the pacemations along the world. We can speak the world along the world is our the word from there is this 20 words the meter and the word is 21,000 kilometers. That's 21 kilometers. Okay, so alright, our British. This port, why is the belief to partake the Chinese states and parts from the protect and this attracts this universities by this nomadic tribal from the north, that especially the city of Jews. The one famous thing in here That is a checking for it out. 5. Incredible stage. Stages over the span is 1,000 kilometers. About this 13 million. This dotted line is halfway around Earth. This one is the look like Earth. These are pieces is the halfway around Earth. Okay. They will be the size the near orbit is 2,000 years ago. They start here. Okay. That wasn't the bronze spared the mountains, deserts, plains, and the grasslands. That's pretty, right? Visible from the moon, not exactly. The asteroid did not see the great war of China. That's this word by his eyes. This when this great war of China they open up the light up, we can see this in this space, but this not see anything else. 6. How was it revealed? With 5 million people include the shorter farmer and fishermen. But suddenly and after so let me think. After they grow up and reach as this absolutely perfect reservoir of the China, many millions people of this they are the Persian like the farmer and the people, the Persians, they are dates form this when you are in 6 and this and suffers this healthy and lack this healthy health. Last is grievance very this bad for day and this so and death. They death. Okay. They use this material found nearby the stones, bricks, and timbers the earth was and its things. The wasn't the extremely hard, the damn and just made alive. In short, from here, it has still to go. The reservoir channel is absolutely because it's message, short, and by fibers, the brilliance, this knowledge, the detail from the powerful symbol of the human efforts and especially. Okay, so lastly is the topic for that. Also, lastly, stations. A symbol of China's strength is determination to improve one of the reasons energy for the humans. They are the human history for the peace. Nowadays, the UNESCO's the histories, the world teacher inside is mercies and wonder of the world. All this in this is will be this means the UNESCO is will be in the 1987. They are born the worst to start this the high for the US. That we start raising your life and is spread by the healings in by the humans history for God. Okay, so this video you can use this listening and comprehension when I speak. I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Take it, bye.